Namaste, dear students. Today in grammar class, we'll be learning about how to write the paragraph and why is it important. So we'll see the slide and understand. There is one example for paragraph writing I have already given. So you just observe and write on your own even the stories and paragraph writings. So first we'll learn about it.
Unity. So we'll understand here the unity. The first and most important principle to be observed is a constructing of paragraph in that of unit. So just as each sentence deals with one thought, each paragraph must deal with one topic or idea. With no more than one, in writing an essay, for example, every head or every subheading should have its own paragraph to itself. And every sentence in a paragraph must be closely connected with the main topic of the paragraph. The paragraph and every part of it must be expressions of one theme or a topic. So next is good topical sentence. What is this good topical sentence? Here it says that the second principles of the paragraph construct is order or a good topical sentence. So events must be related in order to their occurrence and all ideas should be connected with the leading ideas and arranged according to their importance. So there should be connectivity while we are writing the paragraph. So first paragraph gives us an introductions, or it may have a theme of unit where it gives a sequence or expressed in one sentence of a paragraph. So in the second one, the second principles of the paragraph construction is order or a logical sequence of thoughts, a good topical sentence. So here it should connect with it. The topical sentences should get connected, leading to an ideas and arrange according to their importance of thoughts. So next, logical sequence. So here we can understand how the logical sequences should be developed. It is important that sentences in the paragraph are the first and the last. The first, which should or the rule be a topical sentence, should arouse an interest of a reader, and the last should satisfy it. The first or a topical sentence states the topic, a fact, statement, or the proportions. The last should bring a whole paragraph on its topic and the conclusion or a summing up. So you will understand here the logically how we build up the paragraph. So it next tells us about the variety. So the third principles of the paragraph construction is variety, by which is meant that to avoid monotony of the paragraph, monotonously writing the same repeated sentence or using a same word, which should not happen. For composition should be of a different length and or not always the same sentence construction. So it should have its varieties in thoughts, expressions and words. Full and rounded final sentence in conclusion. So what do we understand by this? We understand that the concluding, whatever you have taken the topic of the paragraph is, it should have its conclusion at the end. So at last should be bringing a whole paragraph on this topic to a conclusion or summing up. So with these point, if you keep it in your mind that how to start the paragraph, the constructions of the paragraph should have its unit, and then it should carry on with the good topical sentence. That is what is a topic of a sentence begins with. Logical sequence of thoughts. How do you connect logically the sentences in the paragraph? And it should have its variety. The same word or a monotonous sentences or a word should be avoided, but you should bring in varieties. And full and round final sentence in conclusion, in sense how do you conclude the paragraph, how the conclusion or summing up of the paragraph is also very important. So there is one small paragraph shown here in the next slide. So you can see a car accident. Here this is one example of the paragraph. You can select your own topic and make as many as paragraphs if you want to write, you can write. But now let's have an idea with this car accident. It is not crazy for a speed that is responsible for many motor accidents. Only last year I witnessed what might have been a fatal accident on the Kashmir road. I was motoring down from Srinagar and as I was near Kulhal, I came upon a wreckage of two cars on the road. The smash had been caused by a car coming down, which swept around a sharp corner at 40 miles an hour and crashed into a car coming up. Happily, no one was killed, but several were badly injured, and the two cars were wrecked. To drive at such a speed down the twisting mountain road is simply to the code disaster. So this is one small paragraph which gives us an idea. In this paragraph, you can note how the topical sentence is again first, which is important, the car accident. So the narrative of that following is simply an illustration of a statement in the topical sentence. What is the topic we have selected? That many accidents are caused by a mad crazy for speed. And concluding sentence sums up the paragraph by a restatement of a topical sentence, in other words. So these are the examples of, this is one such examples like how we have to start the topic of the sentence or a topic, and how it should come up with the logical thoughts of an idea, reflecting thoughts or an abstract of the subject, and as well as how it have to be concluded or how do you sum up. So this is one small example of the paragraph writing. So you need to write the paragraph, select your own topic and write paragraph or a short stories if you want to. This will encourage you in the skill of writing. Okay, thank you.